there's the school, and then we would use this. This is a football field, right? So we would use this for athletics. I hated athletics, but I loved ball games. I used to play netball, so. And that right there is our community hall. Listen, I was attacked. I was harassed, causing me such distress. So I'm in my home village and I arrived here yesterday. And right now I want to do some general cleaning, okay? The last time we were here was in September. That means the house is dusty, okay? It is dirty, it is dusty. There's nobody who lives here full time, so you know what happens when nobody's here full time. The dust accumulates and we have like dead butterflies everywhere, and these butterflies seem to be in season. Like they were there when I was in the city, they are here now. They're always dying everywhere. So I'm going to start cleaning now. And I made a mistake. I left my tripod because it just felt like it was so heavy. It was heavy. But look what I got instead. What I came with instead is this thing. Okay? This little thing. But the problem with this little thing is I can't place it here and take my videos in landscape mode, right? That's it, right? In landscape. So I'm struggling, okay? I'm struggling. But anyway, so I'm doing a vlog because I promised I recently have been panicking and freaking out about a lot of things, and my YouTube channel included in there. So I've been panicking and freaking out, and my best friend likes vlogs, right? And she has always begged me to do a vlog. And I told her, what do you want to see? Baby girl, my life is not that exciting. What do you want to see? I'm like, I don't know. What do you want to see? And I promised her that one day I will do just a vlog meant for her. I'll do a vlog meant for her. So this is a vlog meant for her, okay? Even if she's the only one who watches this vlog, I don't have a problem with that. So I'm in my home village. She has never been here. She has never seen it. And so today I'm cleaning. I don't have any plans. I am cleaning. I'm going to clean, take a bath, make something to eat. But anyway, I'm going to be cleaning right now. Let's get into it. So I left in the middle of cleaning to come and water the plants. Because I felt like I can't forget the fact that I'm cleaning, but I might forget watering the plants and remember at like 2 p.m. right? So I decided to leave in the middle of cleaning to come and water the plants. Now I'm going back to continue cleaning.
Oh, hey, Nike. Good girl. Yeah, let's go get you some water. There you go. Good girl. I really need to clean this counter. And we're out of paper towels. I've got to remember to start that laundry when I finish cleaning the counter. Let me take this out just real quick. I'll get back to that laundry. I forget to put a bag back in. Wow, just look at that grass. I should probably wash that. Might as well fix the pillows and blanket while I'm at it. Here. Finally time to relax.
And as I was cleaning, when I was checking out my room, I didn't sleep in my room last night. So as I was about to go clean my room, I saw a lizard. People are not here. Remohai, right? And I'm freaking out right now. Can't think we are anyway, giving you manjane in my room. What had happened if I slept in my room? What do I do? Like, what do you do? Should I call my cousin? Because this is not happening. I'm not doing this. Okay, I'm not. Listen, I was attacked. I was harassed, violated in my own house. Because what is a lizard doing in my room? Causing me such distress. I have enough problems in life. I don't need a lizard harassing me. Because I hate lizards. I'm afraid, I'm terrified of lizards. Who can come and help me? And I decided to drive to my grandmother's place and get my cousins. So that they can come and help me. When I arrived there, the older cousins were not around. So I was like, yo, I'm sorry, but you have to come and help me. I am terrified. Okay, so I brought them here and I just stood at the door. I gave them dooms, and I stood by the door. They thought it was hilarious. They were giggling. I didn't have time to be embarrassed because I was honestly terrified. I'm like, if that thing is under my blanket, I don't know what I'm going to do. Help me look for it. So they didn't find it where I left it, which was on the curtains. So I'm like, left those blankets, look under the bed. And they did. They found it under the bed. They started fighting with it. They were dragging it with this with doom, right? And they kept spraying the doom. And I'm just out there like, are you winning, guys? So I'm sitting under this shade, and I just remembered a TikTok video that trended a couple of weeks ago. To, get rid of it. And yeah, I finished cleaning, and then I went to drop them off. Then I decided to stay there. To just hang around there, and I ended up waiting for food. So I ate some bread and I left, and I came back here.
When I have a child, I want to take them to Africa. You know what I'm saying? I want to take them to the motherland and let them see that, hey, we're blessed over here, you know, but look at them. They're staying in woods and trees.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is why not everyone who has a microphone should have a podcast.
So after he said we were sleeping on trees, he later apologized.
My black brothers and sisters, I apologize to the culture. I apologize to the community. And it will not happen again. I watched my own clip. Like I said, I rewinded it like 10 times. Like, Anthony, how did you say that? What? And so I was disappointed in myself. And I wanted to come on here and just apologize for saying something that crazy about my culture. And here's the thing, you guys. I know for a fact that my Africans are not living in that. I think I was speaking too fast. I said something that was inaccurate, and I didn't catch it. And I just want to come over here and not make any excuses, and own the fact that the impact that it had on my brothers.
But when I first saw the video, I was like, I guess it's just an unfunny joke, right? Or it was satire, or he was being sarcastic. I don't know, something along the line, because I couldn't believe that. When I kept seeing people talk about it, and you see all these comments, I'm like, are people, I'm like, and I was just wondering, do people actually think like this? And this is not the only video that made me think of that, right? And this is not the only video that made me think of that. It's because there are these African creators on YouTube, right? They just create videos around their lifestyle, you know, just cooking, eating, going to the farm, stuff like that, right? And you would have people in the comments asking, where are your beds? Where do you sleep? Do you have electricity? Do you have phones? And it's like, at first I was just like, nah, people are trolling, you know? Some people are just honestly just trolling, all right? Some people are serious about these questions, like, they're genuinely asking. And I'm like, what do people get when they Google? And it made me think, okay, we are a generation that has access to internet. We can just Google these things. I'm like, maybe the problem is what they see when they Google. What do people get when they Google Africa, or when they Google a specific African country? They Google Botswana, they Google South Africa, they Google Ghana. What is the first thing that they see? So I Googled Africa, and the first thing that I saw was just the map of Africa. And then I tried a couple of things. Then I Googled Botswana. And for our country, the first thing that I see is just things that are meant for tourist attraction, you know, safari, the Okavango, all of that. And I'm like, but why are people always asking these questions? What are they seeing? Or are people just trolling, actually, you know? Because it would be so much better if they're just trolling. But what if people are seriously and honestly asking these questions? But anyway, I was because I am in my hometown, I am in my village, I just thought of these things. And as I'm seeing our lifestyle, the way that we live, it's just so modernized. And I'm like, you know, somebody might be disappointed when I'm coming to